What is a trade loans? What is a trade loans? Curious about trade loans and how they work. This informative article provides an overview of trade loans. Read now. What is a loan? Purchase imported products without knowing they are imported and sometimes without knowing everything that goes into getting them. A trade loans is among the many elements that go into enabling international trade and following cross border operations. A trade loans, also now as a bitter or credit, is specifically designed to support international trade transaction. It is a financial instrument used by importers, exports, banks, and other parties to manage the risk involved in cross-border transactions. A trade loan asserts the seller that payment will be received once the goods have been shipped and the loan conditions have been met. At the same time, it shows the buyer that the goods will be shipped and that payment will not be made until they have been received and meet the agreed upon specifications. What is the trade finance process? It is a task of it is okay. The trade finance loans process is a series of steps when a company applies for a loan to finance or trade transactions. And the process typically involves the following steps: application. The company interested in obtaining a trade finance loan contacts a bank or other financial institutions and applies. The application includes information about the company, the trade transaction, and the goods purchased or sold. Credit assessment. The financial instruments access to company or credit without and determines whether it is eligible for a trade finance loan. It typically involves reviews or reviews of the company financial statements, credit history, and other involvement informations. Loan approval. If the company is approved for a trade finance loan, the financial situations will issue a letter of credit in favor of the seller or importer. The letter or credit outlines the term and conditions of the loan, including the loan amount, the shipping and payment schedule, and any documentations requirements. Shipping and documentations. The seller or importer ships to good to the buyer and providers documentations such as bill of lading and invoice to the financial situations. They verify that the documentations and conditions of the letter of credit have been met.